Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zafar Khan. You are watching ZK Multitech. Friends, I will show you how to use Teka washing machine. Okay. First of all, you need to switch it on. Okay. After switch it on, you need to select the program. This one, quick 15-minute 20-degree sport wear, jeans, wool, Eco 4060 and 10 save, 1 hour wash and dry, cotton program, synthetic, mix, wash and dry, dry only, rinse and spin. So how to turn on? You select simply program. After that you need to press this start button. So now program has been started. You can see what is coming now. After 15 minutes this program will finish. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.